I'm Shelly Turner with the Builderall team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access your Builderall business area and where you can find specifically your affiliate links to start building your team. First, I'm going to go to the Builderall dashboard and I'm going to choose Builderall Business. And when I do that, a menu expands and I've got access to several different areas under Builderall Business. The first area is the dashboard. On the dashboard, I'm going to see a couple of things. I'm going to see a video tutorial that I can watch, the ambassador calendar so I can see when all of the meetings are happening, and then I can see a summary of my statistics in my Builderall business, including how many leads I've gotten, how many two-tier leads my team has gotten, and then how many active leads I have, and how many active leads my second tier has. And it will also calculate a conversion rate on how many leads versus how many active leads you have. Also on the dashboard, I have the link for Builderall. This is my affiliate link. My number is right here. And to access this link and to copy it, all I do is click this copy button right here, and that will copy the link for me, and I can share that link with anyone that wants to join my team. The next area we'll look at is the resources area. In the resources area, I can see again that I've got that affiliate link right here, and I can choose to copy it clicking the copy button. And from there, I can paste it and share it with anyone that I want to share Builderall with. I also have a URL shortener. If I click that button, it shortens the link that's on that line and gives me a Google shortened link. I can copy that link and send it to anyone that I want to invite to Builderall. I can also choose to look at the click analytics. So if I click that yellow button, it's going to give me some great information on what's happening with that link, including the total clicks, the refers, what browsers have been used to access that link, the countries involved, and what platforms are being used. So that's the analytics that you can get with that Google shortener link. Also on this page, you've got the ability to offer Builderall in different languages. So if you want to market in a different language, you can change your language right here by clicking the down arrow, and you can choose any one of these languages to market in. And when you do, if you click that button, it will give you a different link, and you'll see that the page changes language. So this particular page is in the language that you chose. To advertise that page, just click copy, and that link will be copied, and then you can share it with anyone that speaks that language, and you can share Builderall, and you can start building your team with people that are outside of your own country. To change it back, all you do is click the down arrow and choose your native language again, and it will switch it back to your native language. Also on this page, you've got the default area, and if you click that default, you've got many different funnels, checkout pages, and niche funnels available to market with. If you choose funnels, you'll see that it opens up and it provides several different funnels that you can use. If I wanted to use the 7-day free trial, all I have to do is click that funnel, and it changes this page down here and shows me what that funnel looks like. And once it opens that page, I can actually take a look at it and see if that's really the page that I want to promote. If it is, then all I need to do is go back up to where this link is and click the copy button again, and it copies that link, which is this page, and now I can share that page with anybody I want to invite to Builderall. If I'd like to shorten that link, I just click the Google URL shortener, and it gives me a shorter link. And again, with that shorter link, I can click the analytics and see what's happening with that link. The next area is the redirect link. If you've got a web page that you build yourself and you want to be able to add your cookie so that when they sign up under you, you can click redirect link, put in the address of the website, and once the full address is in the address bar, you just click send, and it'll give you two links. It'll give you the long link and it'll give you the short link. You can share either one of these with anyone you want to invite to Builderall, and when they follow this link, they'll go to your page, but they'll also be cookied. So if they sign up for Builderall, you'll get credit for the lead and you'll get the sale. You can also choose to promote with your own domain. So if you click promote with your own domain, all you have to do is add your domain name and follow the instructions here, and all of the links that you generate on this page will have your domain name in it instead of the generic Builderall domain names. This is a great way to start branding yourself with Builderall. There's also a tutorial available. You can click that area if you want to see the tutorial. And there's also a Builderall business area. You could choose to look at the different funnels that are available, checkout pages, niche funnels, and another great area to check out is the Business Center, specifically the 365 Business Builder. When you click that area, it's going to open up and give you some activities to do to grow and build your business. It has a different assignment for you each day of the week. So the first thing you need to do is watch the welcome video. After that, if it's Monday, click on Monday and do that specific task that is listed. For this example, there's an image and it says to download the video and post it on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or anywhere you want to post it where you want to market the Builderall business. You can also download the video by clicking the download button. The next day on Tuesday, you click the Tuesday assignment, and it will give you a graphic or a video or even an email swipe that you can use to market Builderall. So each week, this area changes with new activities for you to do so you can continue to build and grow your Builderall business. The next area I want to show you is your earnings area. So over here on the left, I'm going to click your earnings. And this account doesn't have any earnings yet, but you can actually see all of the earnings that you've made, including who you earned it from, what type of earning, the date that it occurred, the plan value and your commission value, and the status. The status might be that it's a pending payment, it might be that it's on hold, or it might be available for you to withdraw. Once you have earnings that are available to withdraw, you can click the withdraw request button and you can request that your earnings be withdrawn and sent to your PayPal account, or you can get your payment sent to you by check, which typically takes about 30 days. You also have the ability to do some searches, so you can type in a person's name or email and you can find them with this search bar. You can also choose the status, whether it's on hold, paid, available, or refunded. You can choose what type. Are they a tier 1 or a tier 2? And you can choose any one of these things and then click filter, and it will filter your list for you so you can find specific people or specific payments or specific levels of payments. The next area I want to show to you is your tax forms. This part is very important. Before you can withdraw any earnings, you have to complete your tax forms. So you'll go through and fill this out completely. And once it's completely filled out, you'll go through an electronic signature process. Make sure you follow the instructions carefully because accuracy is important and completion is important. If it's not completed accurately and completely, you will not be able to withdraw your earnings. The next area I want to show you is leads. And in this area, anyone that signs up under you, whether they're on the trial or whether they're paid, will appear as a lead in this list. It will show you all of the information listed on the columns, and you can do a search by their name, email, sign up date, or even their status as inactive, active, or test. And it will give you total numbers here of how many leads you actually have. You can also choose options and connect your leads list to a subscriber list in Mailing Boss so that when you get new leads, they're automatically added to your Mailing Boss subscriber list, and you can send out an autoresponder sequence of emails to continue to market Builderall and market any other products that you'd like to present to your subscribers. The next area I want to show you is the leads tree. This account doesn't have any leads, but you'll be able to tell the structure of your team by looking at the leads tree. And here you'll be able to check mark or uncheck areas that you want to see. So if you only want to see the active people, then you check on active and it will only show people in your leads tree that are active and paid up in Builderall. The next area is settings. And in this area, you've got the option to put in a script that can help track conversions of your sales funnels. You can put a Facebook script in here or a Google Analytics script here. Whichever script you want to use, you can put it inside this box and then click Save, and you can start tracking the conversions of your sales funnels. The last area I want to show is the weekly webinar. And in this area, you're going to access this every single week. The leaders of Builderall are on this weekly webinar to help you understand the power of Builderall and how to build and grow your business. So always be checking the calendar to make sure you know when the next meeting is so you can attend and get the best training available. So that's the Builderall business area. Remember, to get there, you need to be on your Builderall dashboard. You click Builderall Business, and then you have that complete menu available to build and grow your business inside of Builderall.